Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Trump Media and Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 12th of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 12th of May 2025, our system has ranked Trump Media and Technology Group as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.45. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. We will continue monitoring this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the coming days. The stock is currently positioned in the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders. As a reaction back toward the lower part of the trend can be anticipated, a breakout above the top trend line at $26.03 would initially suggest a slower rate of decline, potentially signaling the beginning of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of negative 5.77% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging between negative 41.04% and negative 4.36%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of negative 22.47%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 88.10% to positive 34.95% over the upcoming year. This would place the future price between $3.05 and $34.62. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation Stock Price After Monday Trading. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price gained 3.05% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 12th of May, 2025, rising from $24.89 to $25.65. During that day, the stock fluctuated 4.97% with a day low at $25.33 and a day high of $26.59. Over this period, the price has experienced ups and downs, resulting in a loss of 0.7% over the last 2 weeks. The volume of shares traded increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 2 million more shares were traded than the day before, bringing the total to 4 million shares bought and sold for approximately $105.53 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $56.55, while the lowest was $11.75. Currently, the price is 54.64%, or $30.90 below the 52-week high, and 67.69%, or $53.73 below the all-time high reached on the 26th of March, 2024, when the price hit $79.38. In recent financial news, Trump Media and Technology Group has reported a narrower loss and an increase in sales for the first quarter of 2025, reinforcing its position in the evolving America First economy. With cash reserves of $759 million, the company is poised for further expansion, announcing plans to pursue mergers and acquisitions to diversify into sectors like financial services. This strategic move, alongside the recent launch of its Truth.fi fintech brand and plans for a subscription service, signals a commitment to growth that could bolster investor confidence. The positive financial results and expansion strategy may drive short-term investor enthusiasm, which typically translates to upward momentum in the stock price. Furthermore, the ongoing bullish sentiment across the market, illustrated by DJT's recent rally, could amplify these effects. However, potential risks remain. Democratic Senator Elizabeth Warren's inquiry into the company's investment products raises concerns over regulatory scrutiny, which could dampen investor sentiment if perceived negatively. As Trump Media continues to navigate these challenges, Its growth trajectory and strategic initiatives will be closely watched by investors looking for both short-term gains and long-term viability in the media and technology landscape. Analysts have assigned the Trump Media and Technology Group stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is an overarching buy signal derived from the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected around $24.77 and $22. A decline below either of these levels could trigger sell signals. Notably, the volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been generated, potentially impacting short-term movements. A sell signal was recorded from a pivot top point on Wednesday, April 23, 2025, with the stock having decreased by 2.77% since then. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Additionally, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence-divergence MACD. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence-divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 14 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 55 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 18 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 16 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart reveals short moving average, buy signal from 20 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 64 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 59 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level, from accumulated volume at $22.87 and $22.04. There's a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation finds support just below today's level at $22.87. If this is breached, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $22.04 and $20.27. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $1.26 between its high and low, or 4.97%. Over the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 4%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, persistent negative PE ratios may point to insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $26.14. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stop, this could serve as a strategic point for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group encounters its first support level at $22.87. If this support level holds, it might present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from various analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 11th of March, 2025, Eric Swider conducted an insider sale of 5,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 12th of March, 2025, Eric Swider conducted an insider sale of 10,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 10th of March, 2025, Philip Juhan conducted an insider sale of 11,805 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 10th of March, 2025, Philip Juhan conducted an insider sale of 8,954 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 10th of March, 2025, Philip Juhan conducted an insider sale of 300 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. Based on the 55 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of approximately 20.337. In total, insiders purchased 226,177,920 shares and sold 115,754,142 shares in the last 55 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $24.58, which represents a decline of 4.17%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, indicating a high level of risk. A sell signal has been generated from a pivot top identified 13 days ago. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good investment opportunity? Several short-term indicators suggest a positive outlook. Although the stock is currently in a downward trend, we believe this level presents a potential buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the near future. Our analysis has been updated from a recommendation of sell to buy. Upon examining the volatility and movements from the last trading session, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 13th of May, we anticipate that Trump Media and Technology Group will open higher by approximately 20 cents, starting at a price of $25.86. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.